Hello, my name is Francisco. I have good news. I finally found my berries. Lima beans!
Harry, what's for din din?
Boiled yams, Justin.
I want cupcakes.
今日は木曜日、天気は好調だけど、彼氏いない。
The people in town are in danger! Please transform for us, Sailor Moon! I was trying to think of what I wanted to do today, and I was like, I could go shopping, but I think I'm just gonna go on a car ride.
Got enemies, got a lot of enemies.
Young Metro don't trust you. I'm gonna beautiful morning.
Everybody in the club get tipsy.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
How to deeply annoy your brothers. Harmonica, vacuum. How to deeply annoy your brothers part 2. Back massager, electric guitar. How to deeply annoy your brothers part 3. Hairdryer, tape, flute.
Why did the teacher call me and tell me her mom? Why? Oh my God! You're not gonna listen.